Hi friends, welcome back to All Rounder Kathy. In this video, we are going to make an awesome wall decor using waste cardboard lying around our house. So, without any further ado, let us start making. First, use two circle cardboard pieces to make the base. In this video, we are making a small flower, so we are using a small cardboard piece. If you are willing to make a bigger flower, you can use a bigger cardboard. Then cut the petals for the flower using any colorful cardboard. You can use as many petals as you want. After cutting, fold all the petals like this. Then use stapler or glue to fix the petals on the base. Then cut a circle of a needed size using foam sheet. If you want, you can heat the foam sheet using a heated iron. This will just give a nice shape for the center of the flower. Now glue the foam sheet to the center of the flower like this. Here we have a beautiful flower. You can use a double-sided tape to fix it in the wall. You can make a flower using as many rows as you want. Like the video, share, comment and subscribe to All Rounder Kathy. And also don't forget to click the bell button. Bye, see you in next video.